Hey Vikings! Welcome back to this week's broadcast. I'm Leah.
And I'm Elysia.
Hey Elysia, it's crazy how fast the year is flying by. Fall sports are almost over.
Yeah, senior volleyball night was last Thursday.
Let's check in with some seniors and their parents.
Once a Viking, always a Viking!
Senior night was held for the volleyball players on October 10th.
My name is JC Knapp and I am a senior varsity volleyball player. So senior night works like we all line up with our parents and then we all walk out onto the court. They say our names, they say our parents' names, what position we play in volleyball, how long we played volleyball, and then the juniors come out and they give us gifts.
My name is Hadenfeldt and I'm a senior varsity volleyball player. On senior night, we walk out with our parents in front of the crowd and are honored before the game.
Senior night is an emotional night for everyone, especially the parents.
I'm Brenda Knapp. I'm Kelsey and JC Knapp's mom. The night looks like to me that the season's almost over. Hopefully it'll be a great night and we get another win. I know it'll be a tough game. It's just a big night for everybody.
Seniors are honored by the juniors making baskets for each one like they're assigned a person, and then it just has a bunch of candy and other cute stuff that's personalized for them, and then everyone gets a tie blanket too.
So some of the fun things we do on senior night, the juniors always get paired up with the senior and they make them a tie blanket and they hand them out, and typically it brings people to tears, but it's just a really fun thing to be a part of.
Senior night always brings back a lot of memories for the players and their families because they share such a history.
The night to me looks like lining up and going out as your girls' names are called with their mom and dad, and I'll probably be crying. But it will be fun and the girls will get their blankets. We made blankets last year for the seniors and that was a hoot.
Senior night to me is a really special night because I played with these girls literally since elementary school, and we have been through so many things together and they are my best friends on and off the court, and I think everyone can kind of tell that. So being able to celebrate together in our last moments of just being a senior and being in high school is just a really special moment to us.
I'm looking forward to be recognized as a senior as one of our last home games I will ever get to play.
My favorite memories are honestly probably the car rides during league ball. We'd go to Kearney, Hastings, Lincoln, Omaha. The overnight tournaments were fun. We had the hotel stays and the girls would play around together in the hotel rooms.
I think the one thing that I'm most excited for is just being able to share the special night with my friends and my family and everyone else in the crowd who supported us throughout the years, and they get to see us in our last moments of being a Viking volleyball player.
I'm looking forward to play Duchenne on senior night because it's always just been a fun matchup, and I think it'll be a good way for the seniors to be recognized with a win.
We wish the seniors the best of luck as they finish out their final season as Vikings.
It looks like it was a really special night for the senior volleyball girls and their families.
Speaking of seniors, seniors have the option to become teacher assistants.
I wonder what they do.
Thankfully, we can find out from two TAs and Mrs. Berger.
Here at Northwest High School, one way seniors can give back is by being a teaching assistant during one of their free periods.
I TA for Swanson. When you're a TA, you mostly just grade papers or you sort through papers. Most of the time, I'm just in the teacher's lounge grabbing materials that he forgets for his class.
I TA for Hinkle because I wanted to be a TA because I didn't have enough classes before I could leave. So I thought TA, it counted as a class, and I thought it could be fun, and it's kind of like an extra study hall.
There are many tasks TAs do to help out in the classroom. A few include grading papers, getting materials, and helping students with assignments.
My TA is Ava Chadwick. This year, Ava came to me and she said that she wanted to be my TA and asked if I needed one. And she's been wonderful. Ava does a ton of things. She makes copies for me. She is fantastic about, I have a larger class that hour. She goes around, she helps students, makes sure they're in the right place, answers basic questions for them. She is also terrific, when I have a sub or something, she'll make sure that, everything runs smoothly for me.
Being a TA is an easy way to earn credit towards graduation. Students are able to help out in the classroom without having to do actual schoolwork.
Yes, I think they do get a credit for being a TA, but the grade that we put in is just pass-fail. Well, number one, they're showing great leadership. and that's fantastic. It's just another set of eyes to look at what they're doing and someone else to answer the questions.
You just go to the counselor's office, you say, hey, I want to be a TA. Go ask the teacher and they'll email the counselor and see what works best for your schedule. I wanted to be a TA. One reason is because I didn't want to take another class. The other reason is just to help out in the classroom. Being able to work on homework and scholarships, but secretly just to like hang out with other people.
If you have a free period and would like to help out, talk to your counselor and your favorite teacher for more information.
It looks like a pretty easy way to spend 45 minutes and help a teacher out.
You know who else helps teachers out? Mr. Hadenfeldt's class.
Oh yeah, his 8th period fixed my Chromebook this week.
Mr. Hadenfeldt's 8th period class has been hard at work repairing school Chromebooks.
I teach computer science, various subjects. The classes I teach are Fundamentals of Computing, which is the freshman course, Computer Science Principles, which is kind of the next level, Computer Science Applications, which is the highest level, and then robotics. So the way that we kind of took over the Chromebook repairs, I was talking with Mr. Gibson, and I was telling him like what kind of talent I had in the CSA course. We've got some very smart individuals, and so he had mentioned that it might be a good thing for the kids to do to work on their Chromebook. So it was kind of his idea. I brought it up to the kids, and they were really excited, so they wanted to run with it. So ever since then, he just brings us in the broken Chromebooks with kind of a note as far as what's wrong, and then the kids have to figure it out and fix it. The way that kids can get involved with this, to take CSA, you have to have first gone through Computer Science Principles, which is the class before it. It's a little higher level coding, some higher level activities, but that is a prerequisite. My part in this program is I kind of organize as far as what we need to accomplish for the day. One thing I don't want to have is like a lot of half-fixed computers lying around. So it's more directing the kids, okay, these are the things that we're going to get done today or that we can get done today. It's all up to them to get things fixed.
Participating students have really enjoyed doing the repairs.
We repair Chromebooks in computer science applications every Friday, 8th period. We got started helping with Chromebooks because our class was a little bit ahead of schedule. We were completing assignments quite quickly. And first we were kind of joking about it, like, hey, we can repair Chromebooks for the school. Gibson has a lot of Chromebooks that need repaired. And then just one day he came in and was like, hey, can you guys repair these? And now every Friday we repair Chromebooks. We've repaired a lot of screens on Chromebooks. Lately we've been repairing a lot of the motherboards and batteries because people keep plugging in their phone chargers into them, and you're not supposed to use them as a power bank because it can break some of the circuitry.
Students have been replacing more than just broken screens.
But if you have to repair something like the trackpad or keyboard, it takes a lot more time because you have to open up the bottom of the Chromebook, remove other parts like the battery, and then take the old part out, put a new part in, and then close everything up again. Favorite thing to repair would be the screens because they're really easy. You just pop open the frame, unscrew a couple screws and a wire, pop in the new screen, and then close it all back up.
If you or someone you know have any issues with your Chromebook, make sure to take them to Mr. Gibson's office in the Media Center.
Nobody likes a broken Chromebook.
Or a broken arm.
But you know what everybody does love? Karaoke.
Well, then I sure hope you're not singing.
Hey Vikings! Welcome back to this week's Viking in the Village. I'm Riley.
And I'm Elysia, and today we're seeing which Viking can finish the lyric.
Deuce. Can you finish the lyrics?
Sure. Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty.
Huh? Arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti.
On top of spaghetti. Shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the streets, the traffic starts.
Working 9 to 5.
Work. It's a me.
Working 9 to 5.
Yeah.
Huh?
Under the umbrella.
Fiend!
Man, I love you. You're my everything.
Give me this. Nice to
meet you where you've been. I can show you incredible things.
My God, look at that face. You look like.
Northwest sure has some talented singers.
Anyways, that's all we have for this week's broadcast.
See you next time, Vikings. High five, Elysia. Oh, wait.